are we mad? What's the matter? Why? Go get your M&Ms. Are we having a temper tantrum here? What? Where are we going? What's the matter? What? What's the matter? You left your M&Ms on the floor. Why don't you go get your M&Ms? Go get your M&Ms. I put them on the floor for you. Come on. No, I'm not lifting you up right now. Go get your M&Ms. Brady didn't do anything. No, Brady didn't do anything. Jillian, sweetheart. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
No.
You're not hungry? Hey, we don't hit. Go get your M&Ms. You left them in the kitchen. Go get them. Jillian, do you see any squirrels? Do you see any squirrels? Do you see any squirrels? Yeah? Oh, that's a lizard. But you can play with him if you want to. Go ahead. There you go. Go ahead and play with him. Can you say lizard? Jillian, can you say lizard? Lizard. What is that? What is that, Jillian? Lizard? Yeah? You gonna give him a kiss? Okay. Can I see the kiss? Do it again. Show me the kiss. Oh, that's very nice. Do you think he wants to kiss Brady?
No.
No? Okay, come on.
Do mom video.
Alright. Look what you've got there, Jillian. Look.
Do a video of this.
Okay. You feel better now? Okay. Alright, bye-bye.